Okay bafethu ngiyanibingelela kuyona channel yethu la isi-update TV. So nje guys, if it's for the first time you're in this channel bafethu, please subscribe, but don't miss out. Just subscribe and press the bell. You'll receive notifications whenever I upload a new video. Ungakhohlwa ukucindezela leyo like button bafethu, izindaba zosithola shisa pe. But without wasting your time, let me just get to the point as nginiphathela udaba about the well-known musician bafethu who is Black Coffee, right now in a trouble for owing SARS bafethu imali engango it's 40 million bafethu in errors. So he's in errors with SARS. He has been not paying SARS for a couple of times, then the money ended up to 40 million, but he managed to negotiate his obligation that he's gonna pay 8 million bafethu. So right now he's selling up his properties to cover off the debt bafethu. And this thing yokuthi ama-artists abe in problem no SARS, it usually happens bafethu. No Casper yayamfica and he was owing such a huge amount of money bafethu and no AKA yayamfica bafethu. So nje they still need to fix that thing yokuthi ke babeke kuma areas bafethu laphana no SARS, cause hey bayangena etroubling. So guys, ngaphandle kokuchitha isikhathi kosuku ngiyakuvala khona la ngithi mina wena subscribe. Okosuku